Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk through how to change a Spotify password. You can do this through the app. You have to use the website, so you can enter through Chrome, UC Mini or any other browser that you have, and once you enter, search for Spotify support right there. Then you click on it. Scrolling down, you see payments and billing, manage your account, premium plans, in-app features, device and troubleshooting, safety and privacy. So you need to click on manage your account, click on login in. Can log into Spotify, how to reset or change your Spotify password. This is exactly what you're looking for, so you're going to click on that. Now, how to reset or change your Spotify password. If you already know your current password and just want to change it, you just need to click change password. Once you click on that, you'll be asked to log in and then put in your new password, then save. But if you have forgotten your password, just click on reset your password and follow the instructions there by adding your email address or your username. They will send you a link. Click on the link and add a different password, and that's it. You're done. That is how to reset. So that's how to change your Spotify password. Hope you found the video helpful.